Hi Harshit,
Hi sir,
how are you?
I am fine sir.
Okay, so tell me, how was your experience of English? English is tough or easy?
Sir, when I went to first time English coaching, that time I realized English is a very difficult language.
Okay,
Then I speak slowly, so I realized English is a good language. If you are learning English, so
okay,
English is very good language, I
okay.
think.
Sometime actually you are not able to speak properly. Sometime you
Yeah,
sometimes stam.
yes, sir.
So do you feel agitation now?
Now I am not feeling
Ha,
hesitation because
don't feel. If you
yeah,
speak like that, so it is your what can we do?
what
Okay,
can
so
I?
don't feel
Yeah,
it.
that.
Somebody say then don't react. I am like this.
But now I am
Ha
happy
ha,
because
I am
I
like
am
this.
speaking
Ha
English, so
ha.
I don't want to see anyone.
Yes, exactly. Okay. When your brother, sister, and other person usually speak English, so how do you feel?
That time I feel in very nervous because I don't want to speak that
Ha,
time
the time.
because my all brothers are very good English
Ha
in
ha
very good school.
ha
That time I am nervous, but
ha.
nowadays in my brothers in sitting, that
Okay.
time I am feel very good because I understand what do I say.
Okay. You understand that what they are speaking, what
What
you
they
have
are
to
speaking,
speak.
what I am speaking,
Okay.
that time I am
Okay.
understanding very
Okay.
well.
So now, do you understand the value of your family members and their father's business and mother's feeling? Do you understand them?
Yeah, nowadays I am
Okay.
understand.
Okay. So, are you helping your father in business nowadays?
No, I
Why?
am. So because you know what, in my father business is very much of different
Huh?
people because I will come to course in and
Okay.
that time I will go to computer class that time.
Okay. It means computer, English, and
And
college.
that's
Different
why
places you are
different
going.
people
You
or
are
if
not getting time.
or that's why also think because in shop only 3% is enough.
Okay.
All
So,
person is
so they are
not
managing.
enough.
They are
Manage.
managing. Okay.
That time
Okay.
I realized not.
Okay. You want to go in any service line or you want to do business?
Then now I realize कि I want to go in service line.
Service line.
Because you
Good.
know what, in family business it's automatic, so
Okay.
all person are not. I
Okay.
think
Okay.
in my family told me कि business is not easy for
Okay. Okay.
warehouse and this is not
Okay.
easy. Money important.
Uh,
But now I realize in government job. It's
oh,
very,
really? So
yeah.
you are doing hard work for this?
Now I
Good.
do in
Good.
after graduation.
Good, Harshit. Thank you very much.